Okay, guys. So here I am. Forgot about recording then. I'm sorry about that. I forgot. I was planning on stuff, but I'm really sorry. The heck, Katniss? Video, it might be a little bit short, but these really, oh my god, still have some, as you can see up there, a little bit up there, and I have some in my living room, like a them and stuff, not just them, of course, but, I'll show you, hold on, it's getting late out, thundering really bad, but look, imagine if, I might post this to Facebook as well. But imagine if you and your friend was in these two cars, this green Lambo and this green Lambo. They're not the same. See, look at that design. Look at that design. Not the same. These two Lambos. Which one would you choose? The one up top or the one on the bottom? Or one on the right or one on the left? Imagine if you and your friend was in that one, and you get chased by every single one of these cars. Every car. Yes, and that blue car right there is a limo. If you were wondering. Man, I about just ended it for some reason. Ow. What's cool about the limo is, look, it won't do it with the front, but look, if you open the back, look. Oh my gosh. Let me turn the lights out. Yeah. Look at this. What did I do it? Oh, well, this door don't do it, but this one does. Look. The lights come on. Yeah, you can see that. See them. Let me turn the light back on. I don't know why my light's on. This kind of thing kind of broke, see? The cars look sucky, though. These look cool. If these were actual size. These cars right here are huge compared to the others. These two, and these, well, these 5, and them 2. And this one. But these were all real size, man. That'd be crazy. I gotta put my iPod on charge. Yeah, apparently this video is gonna be long. Look inside of there. It's awesome. So, you guys want to see inside? Oh, this is another cool. Yeah.